welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a holiday go-to cookie. We're making Snickerdoodles. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on Chef's Scoots, and let's get baking. To make the Snickerdoodle cookies, you'll need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for the coating, you'll need 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix the flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt together, then place it off to the side. In your electric mixer, cream the butter and sugar. Next, add the eggs and vanilla and mix well. Then add in your dry ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the sugar and cinnamon. Using a cookie scoop, scoop and roll out the dough into a ball, then roll it into the cinnamon sugar mixture. Place them on the baking sheet and let them bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Let your cookies have a few minutes to cool, then sprinkle some extra cinnamon sugar if you like. Now you have tasty Snickerdoodle cookies for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any cozy day. That is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a lot of fun making the Snickerdoodle cookies and I hope you did as well. They're simple, delicious, and one of my favorites. If you recreate these Snickerdoodle cookies or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well. Enjoy Snickerdoodle cookies and have a great day. Bye!